Hello guys, review Galaxy S23. This version 8GB RAM memory and 256GB storage. This international version with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Okay. In complementation we have only cable Type-C to Type-C and device in the green color, triple camera on the back side LED, on this side power button and wall buttons. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and slot for 2 nano SIM card. Turn on device. Open settings, we have One UI 6.1 Android 14. Open tests Geekbench 6. GPU Adreno 740. Results. Very good results, powerful results. Open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu benchmark results. Okay, close this. And run PUBG Mobile, look how this game works on the device. Starting game on the max graphic level. And game works perfect, without lags and glitches. Very good performance in PUBG Mobile on the max graphic level. Okay, now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.